morning, Dragons! I'm Mr. Salerno, and this is Flame, and we want to welcome you to the News of Camelot. Today's Monday, January 11th, 2021, and Flame, before we get started on our very special week, let's take a moment to pause, put our hand on our hearts, and say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now pause for the moment of silence. Thanks, Dragons, and Flame, the sun is going to rise on this Monday morning at 7:27. That's happened a few times the last couple days, but it's going to set at 5:07, so a little bit later, which is great. And it's Monday, Dragons, which means that we're going to have a new Positivity Project character trait. Last week, Flame, what did we have? Do you remember? Very good, Flame. We had optimism. We had hope and optimism. And this week, we're doing a fancy one. It's called Prudence, Dragons, and it's a Positivity Project trait that we don't normally use day in and day out in words, but we actually use it a lot in our everyday lifestyle. And if you have prudence, Dragons, you make great decisions every day. All the little decisions that might be made are made very carefully through planning or through thinking or through understanding how other people might want to go about their day. People that are prudent, they make sure to take time to look at the big picture, right? They don't see things quickly and then react. They are careful with their decisions. And they also are careful with understanding how it might affect other people, right? They put other people first, and then they incorporate themselves in their everyday decisions. Throughout the week, Dragons, we're going to learn about prudence and all the things that we can do to be more prudent. And like we said, Friday, we're making it Wide World of Sports. So Monday is now going to be Math Mondays. We thought that'd be kind of fun because it both begins with M. So we thought it'd be cool to do some sort of math learning at least once during our Monday shows. So check this out, Dragons. We're going to do a very cool math problem. Watch this. How many more consonants are there in Prudence than there are vowels? How many more consonants are there than vowels? Well, first we have to know what the consonants are and what the vowels are. So let's do this, Flame, because you told me that it's time to redo this top portion. So I'm going to erase this right here, okay? And let's count the consonants in Prudence with this blue marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 consonants in Prudence. So I'm going to write the number 5, right? How many vowels are there? Well, that's the leftovers, right? So it depends, Flame. Do you mean how many total vowels or how many different vowels? Total vowels? Okay. So there's a U, there's an E, and there is another E. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3. So we'll go 5 minus 3, and 5 minus 3 is 2, right? 5 minus 3 is 2. So there are 2 more consonants than there are vowels. And math is everywhere, and I hope that over the course of the year that we can incorporate this to have things that are for all ages, that we can think, use our minds, and make sure that we use our steps and be prudent about it. Dun, 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 dun. It's time for the birthday box. New week, Flame. Feeling good? We had a lot of birthdays on Friday. Let's see what we have here. So we have to do yesterday's. Okay, yesterday was the 10th. So we had Soliana Marudise. Soliana is in 6th grade. Happy birthday, Soliana. So now today, the 11th, we've got Orion Marcario. Oh, Orion in kindergarten. Happy birthday, Orion. Alex Venegas. Alex Venegas, happy birthday, Alex. He's in 3rd grade. Miss Halowinski. Miss Halowinski's birthday is today, Flame. All right, she is our 1st grade teaching superstar. Happy birthday, Miss Halowinski. Let's check the mail. All right. Well, we got a nice long letter here, Flame. Let's see. It says, Dear Flame, this week in Miss Huan's class, our kinders learn about magnets. Some of our friends wanted to share what they learned. Layla learned that opposite poles stick together. Zane and Charvel learned that magnets stick to other magnets, the fridge, and metal. Aviana and Bria learned that magnets stick to metal. Roz learned that magnets stick to scissors. Ayan learned that magnets can stick to different objects like binder clips, paper clips, and magnet ties. Malik learned that paper does not stick to magnets, and Abernov learned that soap does not stick to magnets. You know, when we try to put soap on magnets, right, that never works out. Wishing you well, Miss Juan's kindergartners. And Flame, you wanted to show all the dragons your fun little magnet stick. Check this out, dragons. So Flame was playing in his toy box, and he said that he wanted to show you, he's got his fancy magnet stick. Look at this. So inside are magnetic dots, and when we take our magic magnet wand, look at that. It got them all because it's a magnet, and these stick to magnets. Very cool, Flame, and a cool connection with Miss Juan's class. Outstanding. So, the rest of the week, dragons, we are asking you to continue to send us mail, but be prudent about your decisions. If you want to make a postcard, right? We love our postcards from Miss Flaherty, but if you want to make us a postcard and send it to us, here's the address. We would love to hear from you, and we'd love to hear how you're making great choices every day. So, on behalf of Flame, I'm Mr. Salerno. We hope you have a beautiful start to your week, dragons, and we can't wait to see you tomorrow. Thanks, everyone.